Tell me, why do I need life insurance?
Life insurance is almost a basic need. It's the first step in personal financial planning. It fulfills different purposes for different people and can provide valuable benefits if you make your choices carefully.
Like many think mistakenly, it's not just for financial protection in the event of untimely death of a family breadwinner. It can also be a comprehensive wealth accumulation solution that benefits almost all. Whether you are young or old, rich or poor, employed or a business person, you can get a plan tailor-made for you.
But while everyone may need life insurance, they do not ask for it. Many believe life insurance is difficult to understand. The selling process is pushy or cumbersome, and the benefits are not really useful.
That's why you need simple, easy to understand life insurance plans with real benefits at a good price, backed up by efficient service, of course.
You talked about wealth accumulation. Is life insurance an investment?
In a way, all investments are insurance against financial risk, and all insurance is investment for a better tomorrow.
Specifically, many life insurance plans have savings component that earn returns just like in any other investments. For example, fixed deposits, bonds or mutual funds.
But the main difference, life insurance really is a long-term investment. You must look at life insurance beyond 5 to 10 years to get the right benefits. It also locks up your funds for future needs, so you do not fritter away and miss your long-term financial goals.
What are the real benefits from life insurance?
Life insurance gives two types of benefits, financial and behavioral. Financially, the first and the most important one, life insurance protects the family against the cash flow risk of the untimely death of the breadwinner. Now, this is a real risk most of us underplay. Everything does not go as planned. Life throws up nasty surprises. The only way to somewhat reduce the pain of death in the family is to make sure that at least financially the family is secure. Once this risk is taken care of, you need money for things you wanted to do in your life. Educate children, build a nice home, have peaceful retirement, meet the wedding expenses of your children and so on. To meet these financial goals, you need both money and planning. This is where the behavioral advantage of life insurance scores over others. Life insurance helps you plan early, save regularly, think long-term and protect against downside risks.
When you save through life insurance, your behavior changes subtly. You become more cautious, caring, systematic and disciplined with your savings. As you pay your premiums regularly, your savings accumulate steadily and locked in for a specific purpose in future.
Life insurance also gives tax breaks on the premiums paid and benefits received.
Do you guarantee the returns in life insurance plans?
Amounts payable on death are always guaranteed. Amount payable on maturity of the plan are also guaranteed in a traditional endowment plan. In ULIPs, the amount invested and the return you get on your savings are not guaranteed but benchmarked to the market returns. Now, depending on debt or equity or a mix of both, you may choose as your fund options. Your returns may vary between 6 to 10% on long-term basis. You should note these are indicative and not assured returns. The actual returns depend on market conditions and you may check the benefit illustration for estimated returns. Now, when you invest for long-term, the market volatility evens out and you are likely to receive higher returns than in guaranteed plans. All funds invest in the market only and no one can offer a guarantee higher than what's delivered by the market without running the risk of insolvency. So while providing the guarantee, they go conservative and fix the guarantee at less than the market potential return.
When you take inflation into account, an assured rate of return may not give much real return.
If you do proper financial planning, you may put some money in fixed income securities like bank deposits and bonds and balance in ULIPs and mutual funds. A balanced portfolio like this has greater chance of reducing your overall risk and give you higher returns to meet your financial goals.
Why not I buy a simple risk protection insurance and invest savings separately in another investment?
Many times customers ask, why not buy a simple term plan for risk protection, and for investments, choose other avenues.
Such a separation of funds requires careful selection of risk and investment plans separately. Moreover, investments in short-term avenues may not be good enough for long-term financial needs. The investment strategy of managing funds for short-term and long-term are essentially different. Customers also need to lock in their money and avoid temptation of using them for short-term purposes. Also, saving regularly through premium payments inculcates a rhythm of savings that lead to sizable accumulation of money over longer time. Now, these tangible and intangible benefits may not accrue to investors if they separate savings and risk components into two different plans. The transactional costs and cumbersomeness in maintaining multiple folios may cause leakages. Our recommendation is to weigh each investment option, including life insurance, carefully against your needs. It's a good idea to diversify your savings across several asset classes, including savings cum life insurance. Such a diversification reduces systemic risk, provides for asset liability matching at an individual level, and develops a balanced portfolio for you. Life insurance plans also offer market-linked returns basing on the asset classes chosen, provide for switching between funds, and give loan facility for short-term liquidity needs.
Why should I invest for long term?
All of us are living longer than our forefathers. It's absolutely essential to have enough money for old age. Due to increase in the cost of healthcare and longevity, you need more money for long term than in short term.
When you're young, you will have lesser income and lesser savings. When you reach middle age, you will have higher income and higher savings. And as you grow older, you will have perhaps no income and only your savings saved throughout your earnings period will come to your rescue.
Your financial needs like educating children, providing for their wedding expenses, and keeping sufficient cushion for retirement need substantial money. These needs, in a way, are your financial liabilities. Against these financial liabilities, you need to steadily save and accumulate assets.
So when your liabilities are long-term, for correct matching, you need to invest in long-term assets too. If you do otherwise, your asset matures much earlier than you need and you may lose the rhythm of long-term compounded saving that gives sizable money. Long-term investments also reduce volatility and enhances risk-adjusted returns.
Life insurance like pensions and provident funds locks up your savings like a bank vault and prevents you from withdrawing for your short-term consumption needs. Of course, you need money for short and medium terms also. For those purposes, you need to keep some balance in your bank deposits and some in medium-term investments like mutual funds for a balanced lifestyle.
Why should I take life insurance from India first? Why not from others?
Because we offer simple and easy to understand life insurance plans that are good for all. We try hard to explain to you both pluses and minuses in every plan. We do believe taking care of our customers' interests is the best way to promote our business.
Bank of Baroda and Andhra Bank are two large banks owned by Government of India. They join hands with Legal & General, one of the oldest and most respected insurance players in the UK, to set up India First. Our promoters have over 360 years of combined experience in servicing the financial needs of the world. You may like to know both banks have a loyal customer base of over 50 million whom they service over 4,500 branches spread across the length and breadth of India. So wherever you go, you will find our bank branch within reach.
But why should you insure with India First? There are clear and substantial benefits. Let me list them out. 1. Our plans are simple and easy to understand. 2. They are fairly priced. You do not find small print in our policies. We try hard to explain everything you need to know. 3. We have a network of over 4,500 bank offices from which you can reach when you need anything. 4. We service our customers well. 5. We deliver good returns on your savings benefits. And 6. Our products have very innovative features like policy loans, portability options, and importantly, instant insurance.